I think I've done it. I think I've found the perfect goggles and mask combination for me to wear with glasses. I've been wearing this for about an hour and a half. I'm completely covered and nothing. Everything's clear. Alright guys, so I've de-dusted myself, I've got changed, I've had a quick shower, got myself all ready, written down a few notes so we can talk about these pieces. These are the DeWalt Concealer DPG82s. Yeah, that's the model that I got. These come from Toolstation. They were $9.99 when I bought them. They're brilliant, absolutely amazing. For wearing glasses, these are so good. I've had these rattling around in my toolbox for a little bit. There's a tiny little scratch on the front there, but when I'm wearing them, I can't really tell. Can't see that. Apparently you can get new fronts for these, like a sun visor one, so it's shaded, so they're tinted for the sun. And you can apparently get some prescription inserts for these. I've had a look on the website, can't really see much about it, but I found another couple of websites that do sell. It's like a clip-in, I'll put a picture up here of what they are. They clip into the front of these and you can buy prescriptions for them for each lens and put your own lenses in there, which is going to be absolutely ideal, because one of the small issues I have with these, and it is a very small issue, when they're on, they're pretty comfortable. It's a tiny little gap at the side there. I don't know if you can see, I can't see what the camera's looking at, but there's a tiny little gap there. I can tighten that down a little bit better, but that gap's still going to be there because of the frames of my glasses. If I can get the inserts for these, it's going to be much better, but the tiny gripe that I have is when you take your goggles off, your glasses go with it. There were some people that were complaining about that and putting it down as a bad review, which isn't a bad review. It's tight on your glasses, it's fine. It's not uncomfortable, but yeah, tiny issue with that. The mask, this is the Trend Stealth Light Pro. These are £6.98 in Toolstation. Again, got them both from Toolstation because might as well go to the same place. These are a disposable one. They're rated for 8 hours of use, but they're very comfortable, and for £7 it's not too bad. If I have to get one of these once a month when I'm using it, then so be it. It's already pretty covered in dust. I've been using this a lot for sanding. Putting it on, nice and simple. The top sits below my glasses. I have to put the goggles on before this, because if I put the goggles on after, I'll show you. Put it on after, I get a gap here. But if I put it on before, if I put the goggles on before, then this sits underneath the goggles and there's no gap there. I can't get my finger on underneath anymore. So that's the best way of this. Then you can just pull it tight with these straps, as tight as you need it. And it's really comfortable. I keep looking over here. I flipped my phone the other way. The lens used to be over this side, it's now over that side. And yeah, apologies. Yeah, so it's really comfortable. I could, like I say, I've worn this for a couple of hours and sanding and stuff, so it's brilliant. And when I take them off, I don't really have any red marks. I have a little bit of a red mark on my nose here from the top of this, and I have a little bit around the top of my head here, but it goes within minutes, so they're perfectly fine. So yeah, the DeWalt concealers and the Trend Stealth Light Pro, these are absolutely brilliant combination for somebody with glasses. Definitely I'm going to look at those inserts to get some prescription lenses put in here, and then that's going to be even better for me. No steaming, no discomfort really, even after a couple of hours. Yeah, so if you're looking for a combination, have a look at these, see how they go for you. If you're wearing glasses, things like that, things like this are just really difficult to come by when get a comfortable set. So being comfortable means I'm going to wear them more, which means I'm going to be safer more, which means you guys are going to see me be safer more, and you're going to be safer more. So safety all around. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.